morning everyone. Today we are doing a Hawaii in a day, baby, because we've got some delicious food. My dad's ringing me, one sec, before I was interrupted. It's a Hawaii in a day. We are eating well today. I'm excited. I've been eating basically, I did a big meal prep. You will have seen it in last week's vlog. I did a big kind of meal prep of a few things. So I've basically been eating the same thing every day for the past 3 days. So I'm going to show you what that is. No gym for me this morning because tonight I'm going for a run with my friend. So that will be my workout of the day. I was supposed to go to the gym today, but I'm absolutely aching all over from the past couple of workouts I did. I've been lifting quite heavy this week and I'm really sore and my lats are killing me. And today's meant to be back day. So I just... not gonna happen. And yeah, I'm starting my day as I always do with a coffee. I just drink it black. I need the caffeine. I'm absolutely knackered today. The day before yesterday I did a 10k and then yesterday I did like 20,000 steps just walking around London, and I woke up this morning just like, I'm so tired. So yeah, I'm having quite a slow morning this morning. Oh wait, I'm out of stewed apples. I'm gonna go stew some apples right now because I am gonna have my usual breakfast. I've switched it up a little bit, but it's still basically the same. Yeah, let's go stew some apples. I won't bore you with me stewing apples because you've seen me do it 100 million times.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me.
So I've just been sipping on a Diet Coke while I do some editing, and it's now 2 o'clock and I want some lunch. I pre-meal prepped some egg muffins. You would have seen in last week's vlog briefly, but I'm gonna show you me making them now, and I'm gonna have them with some extra ham on the side and a little salad. So I'm gonna put that together now with you guys. So let me grab them. While I grab them, you guys can watch me make them.
Young ones come crushing down. They wanna feel the sun. Don't know what's in and out. got the vibe, we got the vibe. Yeah, you and I, yeah, you and I. Still got the vibe, still got the vibe.
If you shop at Sainsbury's, you need to try this giant couscous and feta salad. It's like, the seasoning on it is amazing. I actually added some extra feta in. It is honestly so good. Also, ignore the fact that I'm like flouncing around in a robe. I had to wear this for a shoot that I'm doing right now. But I feel very very bougie right now. Just walking around the flat in a friggin' robe. So I'm gonna finish off this cucumber. I just take some mixed leaf salad, good amount. Normally I would put sweet potato in, but I haven't got any sweet potato right now. Because this is so well seasoned and actually really oily, it's nice because I don't need to use like any salad dressing or anything like that. I just pop this in. I do like half a tub per salad. So this adds flavor, and it also kind of adds the moisture in like a dressing would. Mix that together, add the cucumber. Just because I have some leftover ham. Should I cut it up? Yeah, I'll cut it up. Slice up a couple slices of ham. Chuck that on top. I think I'm gonna have two of the egg muffins, so I just cut them into like quarters and put them in. These are great if you're like in a mad rush and you need a snack, or if you literally just need to eat something in the morning. So I usually have them in the fridge or freezer. That's my lunch. Very quick, very easy once you've prepped everything, and nutritious and delicious. Hey, yeah, I'm just having a snack because I eat every hour on the hour. And I got sent, actually, the box is still there, 2 boxes from a brand called Boundless. They're activated snacking. They are activated crisps. I think they're meant to be good for your gut. So I'm currently eating sea salt and cider vinegar. They're pretty nice. They're big bags, so this has lasted me a few days, but I've just kind of been snacking on them throughout the day. So I wanted a little snack while I did my makeup. So cheers Boundless for sending them out. My friend Liam and Pagan just came round as well. So I just gave them a bag of each flavour to see what they think of them. I'm also having another Diet Coke, don't judge me. I don't usually have 2 in a day, but I'm really tired. And I needed quick caffeine, I didn't want something hot. Right, let's do some makeup. Cotton candy grapes, man. Cotton candy grapes are so elite. I've eaten this whole punnet in 2 days. But I would just happily sit and eat a whole punnet of these. They don't really taste like candy floss. They're just super sweet. I hope you enjoyed those few clips of me looking somewhat presentable. The makeup is off. Time for dinner. Time for dinner. Oh, my neighbour is right there. I've been so on it with my meal prep this week. So this week's prepped dinners was a seasoned chicken breast and these amazing roasted vegetables. I'm going to insert the clips of me making the vegetables now. It's honestly my favourite thing. Blanched almonds, loads of different veg, olive oil, lemon juice and loads of garlic, and then you just roast it for 50 minutes. And it's honestly one of my favourite things. I make this all the time. So I just reheat it in the oven and then I sprinkle it with some feta. This is the second time today I'm having feta, but I sprinkle it with feta and then I serve it with bread, and it's so good. It's so good.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, hey, I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl.
while the oven heats up, I need to put all my stewed apples in a tub. I forgot. Just gonna film myself eating.
Don't mind me.
Don't mind me. Nom nom.
You said something, I think, because you left. You said, hold on a thought for a second. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. I don't know if I can handle it.
That's the most precious thing ever.
Yeah. That was delicious. The girls called me because Tom's sister just had a baby, so we were talking about the baby and it was very exciting, but I just had my dinner. It was delicious. It's time for dessert. So I have dessert every single day without fail. Like, I don't just want a yogurt. I was thinking of having one of these. I love these so much. If you've not tried them, I recommend, but I feel like I want like a proper dessert. I don't have anything. Do you want to know what I really want? I made some crumbs and doilies cookies ages ago, and I just keep them in the freezer and you can just cook them one at a time. Maybe I'll have one of them. I just have so many desserts in my freezer. It's honestly such a joy. The cookie is frozen into the freezer. I can't get the box out. So I'm gonna have wow, I'm gonna have a My Protein brownie instead. One of these, the white chocolate brownies. I'm gonna heat it up and put some soy custard on top. Well, that looks delicious. That's it, guys. That is what I ate today. I might have a G&T. It's a Friday night. If you're wondering what my favourite gin is, I love the Whitley Neal Gooseberry gin. And I also love the the rhubarb and ginger. If you want a gin recommendation, it's pricey, but completely worth it because I don't drink that much of it that often. So it's nice to have a fancy gin in the house. So I'm gonna have one of those, I think, and then go to bed. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, what I ate in a day. Let me know what you thought down below. Have the best day, and I'll speak to you very, very soon.